staff and the expert member, they'll be there to give the presentation about all the activities.
Who are doing these best practices all over the Goa? They will share their experiences in this.
So our corporation is every week some department is selected as part of the.
Okay.
So
it's a corporation initiative.
Yes. So every week some department is selected, some mostly highlighting the different schemes, so that the outreach of these schemes can. So this year, this week Goa Waste Management Corporation has been selected, and now we will be showcasing our schemes and what all initiatives we have taken across the state, particularly in the field of waste management only. In fact, you must be aware that recently there was a Western Zonal Council meeting also, which
in
was
Pune.
Yes, in Pune, which was chaired by the Honorable Home Minister, where Honorable CM Sir and a delegation of Goa officers had also gone. Their discussion was taken on various subjects, education, healthcare, etc. And in the end, there was a presentation regarding the best practices. So in that, Goa was shortlisted for the GWMC waste management initiatives. So that was also, we will highlight that also tomorrow. That is the main agenda for tomorrow's program.
What about the building waste material? Where
So,
it's going now?
So basically, building waste comes under the category of construction and demolition waste, and there are separate rules which have been notified for C&D waste. Now, as part of that, we have prepared a DPR for construction of a separate plant in consultation with a research agency, SINTEF. SINTEF is basically one of the best research agencies, a European research agency, and they are experts in this field. So in consultation with them, we have prepared a DPR that is ready. Now there was land identification exercise was going on. So presently a site was there, but there were some certain issues. Now
that has been dropped now.
Yes. So now we have identified one site in 2M, and also we've written to both the last month we had a board meeting. So we've written to both the collectors to identify some sites, so that as soon as the site identification is done, we can go ahead with the next process. And also we have GWMC has received a patent also for laterite based stone. Basically, compared to the other northern states, in Goa, a lot of laterite material is used in construction. Yes. So for that, as a recyclable thing, we have received a patent which can act as a substitute for the normal brick and can basically promote circular economy.
Why that Kudne site was dropped? Any idea?
Kudche. So there, there were certain issues that were there, and this was placed before the board, and board said that now, since it is very important that we quickly set up a plan, that is why we are now identifying all the issues.
What were the issues, the political issues or the technical issues?
This press conference, the main idea is just to give a brief about tomorrow's program, so it is better that we just focus on that.
So when you said the laterite block, from which material we make it?
From the laterite material, that is used presently here. So what happens is all the material that is used in the construction sector, when it goes to the plant, it is converted into some kind of reusable materials. Okay. So we wanted to check whether similar thing is possible here also, and it was clear.
It's not the waste material.
So it is not waste. It is the whatever is used in the construction sector only. It is not. In fact, C&D is not actually a waste. It is like a resource only. It can be reused again in the form of paver, brick, and it helps in the real estate sector also.
So how about the remediation of legacy waste? Is there any update on this? How much is being treated?
So till now, the 11 legacy waste dump sites have been identified, and that work was undertaken in 2 phases, and phase 1 and phase 2. And till now, roughly I have the data also, we have almost more than 5 lakh cubic meters from these 11 sites waste has been remediated. And that includes different sites spread across the state. So more than 5 lakh cubic meters of waste has been remediated.
So what's the
when this was identified, 11 sites?
So municipality and panchayat.
When? In this which year?
This was way back in 2019. So
why the question comes? You do the remediation, you clear the site, again the dumps come in.
No, so I will tell you.
How long it will happen?
We have, in fact, in the board this was placed, and we regularly review it, and we give the directions also to the local municipalities that please develop the local facilities or send to the plant, so that dumping should not be there and new dump sites should not be created. And as part of that, on all these 11 sites, we have dumping is not happening, except a few places where also we, in consultation with Pollution Control Board, we have informed the chief officers that please take the required measures to stop the dumping immediately. And additionally, this was placed before the board of directors in January, and they informed that any further remediation that has to be taken should be done as a deposit work by the municipality, so that municipalities, when they will be doing the remediation, they'll be more careful about this thing.
So how much is remaining the legacy waste now?
It has been, except for I think Mapsa and Sada site, all other sites have been remediated. So Mapsa and Sada are the only some that we have written to the municipalities that we had completed the remediation. Whatever is remaining now, either under SBM funds or as part of the deposit work by the municipality, that can be undertaken. But all the remaining sites have been completed.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming and give some light.